Hey guys, welcome back to another daily recap video. As you guys saw from the last video I posted, I was on vacation last week, so I really didn't post that much videos. I posted one daily recap that week, and that was because I was fairly detached from the market. Like, I was not able to trade with only one screen on my laptop. I know it's possible, but it's just super hard and stressful. But I was watching the market every single day, but it was also a crazy market, so just mainly an avoid on the short side. But coming into this week, I knew that today was going to be a short bias day for two reasons. One, Friday, everything just tanked, so that crushed all the longs' dreams. The longs got greedy really fast, and so that switched to the short market, and so now we are in control. And so today I knew that it would probably be a lot more safe to start taking more trades versus last week where I just avoided everything because who knew it might have trapped. Like a lot of things were trapping and going crazy. So I was just staying safe last week. But today I knew that it would be okay to trade. Now, coming into market open, there was really nothing for me. A lot of things were below VWAP. And like I described, my setup is holding above, get a stuff move, breaks below VWAP. That's kind of my setup, but nothing like that happened on market open, and so I didn't trade anything. But something really important that I learned was when the attention is really spread out, like there's probably like 5 to 10 tickers that all had volume, but the attention was so spread out, so that one stock couldn't go crazy. Like, I mean, there was this went crazy. There were a lot of stocks that went crazy, but when the attention is spread out, I think it gives shorts more of an edge because it gives the stock less power to go crazy. And so I knew that, or MIC had the confidence to trust their lines even more because the attention was so spread out. So kind of any pop didn't have enough strength to go crazy. And so everything was pretty weak, I guess. This wasn't weak. This is actually a trade I took today, and I also want to talk more about my second account because I got more day trades now, and so I want to talk about that. So diving into this trade, SGRP, I usually do not trade anywhere near zombie hours, 10:30, but the death candle is acceptable at any time of the day. And so when we got this huge death candle through VWAP, that is just so beautiful. I'm so glad I took this trade. I got in right after this bounce, so bam. I think I might have actually got in here at 10:30. I might have just placed my arrow wrong, but I know I attacked that. I had plans to scale 37, 47, 57. Like I just planning to scale all the way up, risking 370, the top of the death candle. And so that's how MIC does it. So that was my plan. But only one of my bullets got executed, and I mean it's bad, but it's also fine because the best death candles don't give you much of a bounce, and so this is expected. So I only had like 10 shares, so I was risking like barely anything. But I still covered. I still followed my plan, followed the process, regardless of how many shares I had. So I covered half of my size on the first support level, 285, which pretty much bottom ticked it. Which was a really nice gain right there, right away. And I readjusted my risk at this point. Like I said, originally my risk was 370, the top of the death candle. But once we rejected VWAP, that is now the new level. I don't want it to break that because if it breaks that, it's a higher high, and I don't want to be in at that point. And so I just reset my my stop just right above VWAP because it could test VWAP again, it could reject it, it could wick. But yeah, I did get stopped out, and it was a break-even trade. I think I was green like 90 cents or something, which is awesome. I mean, this is the beauty. Take profits. Tosh and MIC always says nail bail. So in this case, I would have been more profitable if I had just nail bailed all my position. But I think in the long term, most of the time, these stocks will just fail. At least with my experience, they often just fail, and so I'll get a lot more reward. And so I'm gonna keep taking this trade 100 times, just like I did, and I'm pretty confident that I'll be profitable that way. And so it kind of sucks that it failed right after, but I'm staying safe, so that's what really matters. Oh yeah, so also, this was my first trading day that I have 6 day trades. So I opened a second account, and if you're wondering how I did that, one account is my dad's, one account is my mom's, and so that's a little life hack, especially if you're my age, like not even able to have a margin account. So yeah, I can have, so once I turn 21, I can have 3 accounts if I'm still not above PDT. But anyways, yeah, having 6 day trades is a game changer. I didn't realize this before, but now I realize it. A lot of my stress was because I only had 3 trades. And the stress was, oh, if I take this trade and mess up, I'm not going to be able to trade tomorrow. I'm not going to be able to trade the next day. Like, a lot of the time, I went 1 to 2 days with no trades. So I wasn't able to take advantage of any opportunity. And so I was just super stressed to fail on any trade because I was like, oh man, I'm going to have to wait 2 days to make another good trade. But now that I have 6 trades, I know that I can make a trade tomorrow, the day after that, the day after that, and so I know that I can, learn a lot faster. I'm not stressing out over wasting a day trade, and so I was fine taking this trade, even if it meant a little more nailing and bailing, especially because we're at zombie hour. So zombie hour was nail and bail, but this death candle was so good. I would have liked it to close a little lower. That way, we get a better bounce to view out, but that's fine. Yeah, I would take this trade 100 times. I love having 6 day trades. It relieves a lot of stress. I'm not scared of not having a trade tomorrow because with 6 day trades, I can take a trade every single day and I have an extra one. Maybe I want to add to a winner on one of them, or maybe I have 2 opportunities in a day. It's a lot more flexible, so I'm really happy about that. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Drop a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications because I upload these daily recaps every single day. I think they're really gonna help me out just if I want to come back and get through, like maybe I am experiencing another struggle in the future that I've already experienced before. I could just come back and watch these videos and see how I overcame them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.